Welcome to day 3 of 90 and 90. Today, we will focus on powerlessness and unmanageability. We hope that these topics are helpful to you as you work towards a life beyond your dreams. We will begin with a prayer. It doesn't matter who or what you pray to, it is the process of prayer that works. Prayer. Help us to be present in this moment and open to the wisdom of recovery. Grant us clarity to see ourselves honestly and the courage to grow from our experiences. May we receive your guidance as we seek healing and peace. Day 3. Powerless and Unmanageability. The idea of admitting we are powerless over our addiction and the unmanageability of our lives is not easy to face. For so long, we've believed we had control. The fantasy never really matched my reality. I thought I could stop whenever I wanted, but somehow, in fact, I couldn't. Powerlessness doesn't mean weakness. It simply means acknowledging that the things I tried, my willpower, my plans, my countless attempts to manage my own life, it just never worked. My addiction has proven over and over again to be cunning, baffling, powerful and patient. And it takes more than sheer effort to break free from it. Unmanageability shows up in nearly every area of my life. My relationships all suffered, my health deteriorated, and any responsibility placed before me fell apart. I lost jobs, friendships, even my sense of self. Many people have lost so much more. By admitting I am powerless, I am actively taking my first, honest, step toward recovery, letting go of the illusion of control and facing the reality of my situation. This can happen at once, but it takes time to see the long-term results I crave. The good news is, I never have to use again. The bad news is, after I haven't used today, using is not my problem. I don't have to do it alone. When I admit my powerlessness and accept that my life has become unmanageable, I open myself to a new way of living, a new way of being, one that is grounded in honesty, surrender, and hope. This is a high bar, one that I will work towards every day. This success is rented, not owned, and the rent is due every day. Join us tomorrow for another topic as we continue this journey towards a more complete life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on YouTube and all other social media platforms.